over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafana, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV, FIFA World Cup, Bafana 0, Canada 1. I'm joined by Jetly.
我们请上主的是上山，我就来了，找着佛呀，东主啊，我们请上主的情歌唱。I wished to sing this song after we beat South Korea. I would like to say to South Africans,
sure,
I'm proud of our players.
Yeah.
They're the first players who made it in South African history to reach the round of 32. Who has ever done that?
It's history.
I am proud of them. And I'm not going to blame anybody.
Sure, man.
Chifata Kuruchambele Betrika Kandabedia Takaspina Mamela Metlaka. Wonderful judge Daria the Mandambaba Bunyama Pai. That was a prayer I'm giving when they come back. That flight must be safe. I'm proud of them. Don't blame them. They tried. Nobody has ever done that. Nobody has ever done that. In South African land, my brother. They did it all elsewhere. In 3 nations.
Sure.
They did it. They did it. And they fought.
They did.
And I am proud of the other team as well. That won the second star. I don't favor it. But I'm proud of it. South Africans. Guys, love yourselves. Love yourselves, guys. Love yourselves. And you must know that South Africa made a mark.
In the world.
Not just a scar. A mark.
In the world.
Thank you very much. Come back safe. Banabako high. We love you so much.
Thank you, leadership.